Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be looking at the flute. This is your regular C flute in the orchestra so that you can get an idea how you might want to use it in your original score. Let's roll. So the flute is one of the oldest instruments in the world, actually. It's been around for thousands of years, not the one that you know with all the little pads and keys, but it's been around a long, long time. Just drill a hole in a piece of bamboo and you've got something great there. Here, I've just got a simple sample from our friends at Woodwinds. And in the lowest range, the flute's kind of sexy, breathy. And as you get higher, it gets a little more shrill, but a little more piercing. And beautiful. It's still beautiful throughout its range. Beautiful. And it also has not only just this happy feel to it, but it can have a real somber and melancholy feel there's just no other instrument that does what the flute will do emotionally to us. I've put in a little bit of a drone here. Let's see what we can do here with this. So that was a happy one. Let's try one that's a little somber, more somberer. So, there's no other instrument in the world, certainly in the orchestra, that'll do it. And I'm saddened to find that we're just not using woodwinds in our scores anymore because everybody thinks they're just for comedy. And, certainly flute can be funny. Let's see. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing here. It's very facile. You can get around with it. But it's a lot more than that and can add something that we are lacking, I think, in our scores. Try it and see what you think. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If so, please subscribe to our channel here on Cinema Sound, and come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds and hundreds of articles waiting for you and videos to show you how to get that Hollywood immersion into your productions with sound. We also have the world's only comprehensive education, taking you from, I don't know how to use sound at all in picture, all the way to being able to deliver 5-1 professional Hollywood results. Come visit us at Cinema Sound, and until then, we'll see you in post.
Even if you're stuck.